So you're stuck and need help with chemistry. What's the best thing to do? Well, first of all, try not to leave class without asking questions. Whether you do that in a private message or out loud in voice, or even just emailing me during class, ask me questions. This is if you're confused, say something. I usually reply to all emails within 24 hours. So if you do leave class or you think of something that you can't figure it out outside of class, just shoot me an email. Best way to get in touch with me, pretty much. But you can also come see me doing SDL when I'm available for help. There's a schedule for SDL that you can click on. It's also on the SDL page that shows where each teacher is each day. And here you can see that I have office hours or content seminar on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If I am not hosting a study group or a small group during that day, you can get help just by popping in. And sometimes I might also have appointments with students. That's what I use my mentoring time for. So you can reserve time to meet with me doing SDL by emailing me. I can also meet with you during period one. Actually, I can even meet with you during my planning period, which is period six, or doing additional office hours, which I host on Tuesday after school. Email me to reserve your time. Okay. You can also use the resources and videos which I post within Schoology, especially the top resources at the top of the unit. And there's a video about that, finding the top unit resources. There's also a file here on Help Access Main Resources, which is the one-stop shop. It's a single document that has all the links you can possibly imagine that you're going to use in the class all in one place. It's essentially the same kind of thing you would find in Schoology, but in one document, right? Um, in terms of resources, coming to Schoology to find the assignments and it's still your go-to thing. But if you want a one-stop shop place, that would be it. Back to where you can get help. Some of those main resources includes the textbook portal, which there I have a video over here on how to access that. There's resources which I post on my Google Drive, and I have a video that shows you that here, finding navigating Schoology resources. These resources, when you click on them, are going to be sorted by topic. For example, right here, you can find each unit of the year, and you can find within each of those. For example, if I go to chemical reactions, I can find worksheets, videos, projects, presentations, podcasts, notes, up the wazoo. Lots of additional resources as well. You can find the class notes and video resources, which is usually a link on the top of each unit within Schoology. And that's going to be the main link at the top of every unit. And I even have a video about that because of how important it is to find these links and how you can use them. So there you go, at the top of each unit. And I talk more about that on this video here, which is top unit resources. And then I also have a collection of videos and additional practice options. I also have a video about how to find and do additional practice options. And those include the chemistry inquiry packets, virtual labs, and you also have even more resources under chemistry links. And there's tons of YouTube channels out there. And at the end of the day, you can always ask for help from a coach, from a tutor, and you can always Google it, right? But I have done a lot of legwork, to help you find resources that you need already. So hopefully you would take that to your advantage. So, anyways, the best thing to do though, if you're not sure how to find help, is ask me. Shoot me an email. I'll point you in the right direction. Okay, guys? Hopefully, this you find is helpful.